Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam wrote, Huzur, said in metaphorical sense, I am the Khatamul Kholofa of Ummat Muhammadiyah, as Jesus was the Khatamul Kholofa of Ummat Musriyah. So his question is, in what sense Huzur used the word Khatam here?
In the sense of the best. In the Ummah of Hazrat Musa alayhi salatu wasalam, Hazrat Isa alayhi salatu wasalam was the best. Some people may argue this point, but this is correct. Seldom prophets of Allah have offered their sacrifices as Jesus did. So, in the Ummah of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there were many reformers, mujaddideen, etc. But none could compete with Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam, and he was the best Khalifa of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.